Hi everybody. Yesterday we made this really fun little folded project here with our cute tags and all the goodies inside. And if you remember right, I just had a double-sided piece of paper that I had printed both sides on, just regular weight print paper. And anyway, I just had this long strip left over from that. And so I thought I'm gonna make just another fun little project using up the rest of the paper, so you can see that they'll coordinate and they'll go together. But anyway, I'm gonna zoom in here just a hair and we're gonna make this fun project together. So to start out with, I'm gonna give you a few measurements on this. Yours can totally be different depending on what kind of a scrap you have. So it's a great way to use up some of those longer scraps. So this one is 3 inches, and then it should be that full length of your paper. It looks like I trimmed a hair off. So it's about 10 and a half almost. And then I just started folding. Oh, it is, you guys, it is the full length. That piece was bent over. So don't believe me. It was 11. It's the full length by 3 of a piece of paper. And then what I have done is I just did my main fold. So I'll tell you these main folds here, but you can do any you want. So I'll just go ahead and put that down. If I put it all the way down on my 11-inch paper, then it looks like the folds are, and like I said, don't stress it too much because you can adjust any of these sizes. So this was about, little less than 3/4. This one here is about at 1.5 inches. This fold here is at 4. This one here is at almost 8. And then this one here is at 10 and a little more than a half. So arbitrary, but if you want to do it exactly like this, you can. But you definitely don't have to. The goal is we're going to make a cute little pocket, and I'm going to show you how. So first off, with this fold here, and then I went ahead and folded that top down, and that is really for to be just a tiny tuck spot. So I could make that bigger, right? I could. It wouldn't make a big difference at all. So I just found the ephemera that I wanted to go in it, and that's how I got that measurement right here. So you can find a piece that you love that you might want to use and then base your measurements on that alone, and it will be just fine. So I just made it big enough for that, and then I thought, oh, there's a little too much because I wanted to see a little more of my ephemera. So that's why I folded this down. And then after folding it, I got a lot of glue there. I thought, that'll make a cute little tuck spot just for a couple of tiny little things. So that's what I went with. And so I think that's one of the things I love about junk journaling is you just start with what you have. Ooh, that's gonna squeeze out. Start with what you have and then make it work. Make something out of it, and it's gonna get you something new and fun and different every time, and I love that. All right, so I turned that into a pocket as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my ephemera in there so you can see why I picked the height that I did. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my cute little bits right in there. And I didn't want anything too big in that because I wanted this to cover it when I folded this top part over. So now this I just folded, and then I folded it once and I thought, no, I want to see more. So rather than cut it, I just folded it again because it'll just add a little extra stability to that closure area, and you've got the paper so you can use it. So I'm not turning any of these into any tuck spots. Just folding and gluing, and folding and gluing some more. You could make it another tuck if you wanted. It wouldn't hurt anything, but I'm going to embellish the front, so I just wanted it. But I love that extra strength there that adds. So just how I did it based on my paper and what I wanted to see, and you can definitely change it. All right. So on this one, we have these gorgeous, huge circles. These are all, I should have mentioned that. These are all from the November subscription kit, which is just fun. But you can use anything you have, any piece of ephemera to make a fun little, I'm turning this into a circle belly band, which is kind of fun. But when you look at a kit and you're like, oh, that's what I have available, then you find ways to use it up. And it actually, I find for me, it really helps me kind of think outside of the box and look at things in a different way. So I just glued that little edge and that little edge right there to create my belly band. And then I have this cute little ticket. I distressed that and inked it, and that's part of the kit as well. Every single thing here so far is. So if you want options like that, then here's your options, but you can always do something different. Like if you wanted to add a sticker, that would be fun. These are fun little number stickers from our latest drop that I think would be fun to just add a little extra. I kind of like this. My one concern is I don't want to end up, gluing that in place. So I'm going to come up a little higher so that I'm not blocking that cute ticket coming in and out right there. That's fun. I like it. So we'll let you know when these come live again. Right now we're kind of out, but we'll get more and we'll put those up again if you're interested in the cute little physical products that we've been having so much fun with. All right, so easy peasy, we've got that part done. And now I want to just do something fun on the front. So I always feel like it's nice to have a big statement piece like a flower. And I kept a few little extra goodies to kind of add in, but I need that to be able to open, so I'm only going to be able to glue that little tag along this edge. So I'm going to glue that back behind here, but so that that will still open and close, if that makes sense. I think it would be fun. Let me see if I can find my, there it is. I was just thinking I wanted to add some texture, so I was thinking some coffee dyed cheesecloth always does the trick there to add a little texture behind something like this. Oh, so cute. All right. It's kind of hard to work with cheesecloth, but you just have to kind of go for it. Just throw some glue down and start squishing. And it almost always turns out amazing. Almost. I'm really off center. And it's such a, oh, sorry about that. I just hit that pretty good. Almost always looks awesome. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue down on my flower. It looked like we could go pretty much everywhere. So. The only spot that could glue my pocket shut is right there where it's not, so I'm gonna make sure I didn't get glue there. And we're safe, because I'm really bad at getting glue everywhere. Okay. And we have this cute little, isn't that cute? Cute, cute. All right. And there you have it. So now you have two pieces that we made. Let me zoom out just a hair now. We have this fun little pocket that you just make with a strip of paper. And then you can either glue that right into a journal or tuck it into a pocket. You could add it to a big tag and it will open and have an extra little hiding spot on a tag. So there's a lot of options with that piece. Oh, I love these papers. All right, so that opens up and you have some ephemera there, a tag there, and you have your belly band tag right here. So a lot of storage in that tiny little piece. And then our second piece right here that we have, I've got to steal these from our other pocket. But this was the one, Elena made a reel using this paper, and I made one using this paper. So you'll have these matching pieces of ephemera now using just one piece of paper. So this one has our little envelope tuck hiding spot right there, and a couple of tag places that you can put these in. And it has this little pocket up here as well, right there. So it's a 2-for-1 when you put them all together, which I love 2-for-1s. And guess what? 0 scrap from this paper. Yay! So we used every bit of it, and we've got these 2 really beautiful pieces. So anyway, very easy and very adaptable and forgivable if you want to change anything up on sizing depending on the ephemera that you might want to be using. Then it's very easy to do, very forgivable. You can throw a cute little alligator clip up there if you want, and just enjoy. Just get creative and have fun with it. Easy projects. We will talk to you later. Enjoy. Bye.